Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl, Owen Company. Today we're in the showroom and we're going to unbox and review the American-made tow and stow receiver hitch by B&W. So this is a great receiver hitch because it's multifunctional. It allows you to tow all your toys with just one receiver hitch. It comes in a dual ball or a tri-ball design, which is what we're going to unbox today. And it comes in 3 different finishes. It comes in chrome, black powder coat, or browning. So let's get to unboxing. Alright, so in the box you'll find this protective covering here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. It's a very solid design. Can hold up to 10,000 pounds. We've got our 2-inch ball, 1 7/8 inch ball, and then our 2 5/16 inch ball. So right now this is in the stow mode. So this would go into your receiver hitch, and it would stow behind nice and neat so you don't hit your shin and it's up out of the way. So let's go ahead and remove the pins and we'll flip it over. So move your pin locks. Slide your pin out. And it slides up and down the shaft like so, and you can flip it over and then lock it into place in different 1-inch increments to adjust your height for multiple different types of trailers. So you slide the pins back in, lock them in there, lock them in like so, and now we can mount this to our receiver hitch and we're ready to haul. We've got our tri-ball tow and stow receiver up and mounted. We've got a 2-inch shank. The shank is the part that mounts to the receiver. They also have these available in 2.5-inch shanks and 3-inch shanks. So right now this is in the out position, ready to tow. What's cool about the tow and stow is you have 3 balls at your convenience where you can tow 3 different sizes of trailers. Right now we have the 2 5/16 ball showing. This is rated at 10,000 pounds. If we pop the pin, you can change this on the fly. So right here is the 1 7/8 inch ball. It's rated at 3,500 pounds. And right here is your 2-inch ball, which is rated at 7,500 pounds. So when you find the desired ball, just lock your pin in like so, and you're ready to tow. What's also another great feature about this tow and stow is it's adjustable in 1-inch increments up and down. So you pop the pins, pull them out, find the desired height, put your pin back in, lock them up, and you're ready to go. It's that easy. Another great feature about this is when it's not in use, you can flip it back under the vehicle and protect your shin. We've all been in that position where we bust our shin. It's not fun. You won't like it. So let's check it out how this works. Pull the pin out, flip it over, place the pin back in. Don't forget to lock it up. And you're stowed away. That's the great thing about the tow and stow. You can tow and stow it. Made in America, B&W, best way to go. Choice for a receiver hitch. We appreciate you joining us today. Remember to tune in every Friday for installations, new products, and reviews like this.